Hi, I'm Jeff Gerard with the Concrete Countertop Institute, and I'm excited to introduce our new sealer, Ovation. Ovation is a single component water-based concrete countertop finish that is easy enough for DIY concrete countertop projects, but high performance enough for pros to use. So why did we come up with another sealer? I mean, we have Omega, right? But I felt that there was a strong need for a single component finish in our market. Historically, the only choices for single component finishes are underperforming acrylics or toxic and flammable solvent-based finishes. Now, we have Ovation, which fills that gap.